sometimes the things that sound the coolest are the easiest, and the things that you'd never think of are the hardest. Like the hardest thing we do on food is actually put a bowl in a paper bag.
Wow.
Okay. That is hard. And that people are like, what are you talking about? Why is that hard? You've because paper bags are not as standardized as you think. And how to have a mechanical automated apparatus open a paper bag every time and never rip it and really always get it in, like it's 100% shot on goal, like it needs to go in exactly as it's supposed to. When there's so much variance in the thing itself and how it moves or crinkles or does these things, and I need to have a very inexpensive apparatus that every time opens it perfectly and puts the thing in the bag perfectly, it's hard. And don't even get me started about putting the sauce cups in there, dude. So there's crazy weird things. Or like on a mine, there's wild stuff. So like the things that never like you go to a mine operator, the guy who runs the mine, and you're automating it. It's not just, okay, I put some software on a machine and magically it's autonomous. This is a commercial environment. So in some ways, this is a physical workflow that you have to master, but in an autonomous way. So when you think about like enterprise AI and the workflows that you're going to automate, this is a physical version of that. And a lot of times what happens is people go, okay, here's the main thing. And in product, in tech product, they'd call it the happy path. This is kind of how the thing works. And that's just it. And they go, well, what about this? Does this ever happen? They say, dude, it never happens. And then guess what? It happens a lot. And what is a lot? Well, if it happens 1/100% of the time, that's a lot, especially when it's like a $20 million piece of equipment, right? That like falls off a cliff if you do it wrong, you know? So, so there's a lot of really interesting things. Like what happens is the haulers that are moving rocks, they will dump them into what's called a crusher. A crusher is a stationary piece of equipment that like there's these jaws that basically take these massive rocks that are like the size of the table that I'm at right now and break it down into pieces that are like this. But sometimes the rock is just too big, or when it gets dumped into this crusher, it just can't be broken down for some reason. That never happens, air quotes, but then it does. Now, what happens if your machines just keep dumping material into the crusher? It's like if the toilet is clogged, don't keep using it, guys. But there's like a lot of funny, weird, quirky, interesting things that happen that never happen. And it's the long tail of those never happen things when you're automating an enterprise industrial workflow that is sort of the texture and fun of the problem.